there are a couple of things you can do really badly that's going to make your chance of making your putts even worse. And two of them I see too often on TV and also when I'm playing around is that one, golfers will look at the hole from here and practice the stroke this way. Now, you're not putting that way, you're putting that way. So why would you want to practice a stroke that's not in line with the hole? So don't do that. If you're going to do that, rather line up on the line, you're going to hit it and then do your sense. But the other problem is that if you pendulum your putter, if you do this, trying to get a feel, well, which one of those strokes are you actually going to use? Okay, so when you come to actually making the putt, you're not quite sure, well, how far back, how fast. It's kind of a bit uncertain, so don't do that. Rather, make a stroke. In other words, stand behind, even if you don't want to do this, even if you just want to stand here, make the stroke. So it's back and through. Now you're going to repeat that process on your actual putt. But if I'm standing here doing this, and then I go putt, well, exactly how far back, which of those strokes I'm going to use? It isn't the stroke. You haven't defined it, created it properly, so do it properly. So from there, get behind the putter, set up, now create the stroke. So back and through, complete it. Back and through. So just walk up to it and back and through. You're guaranteed to make so many more putts if you just do it on the line. You're already going to hit it. It gets your mind aligned, it gets your brain aligned. You can see the putt traveling because from this angle, I'm looking there, but my putt's going there. So I'm looking at the hole this way, but my putt's going that way. So I don't know why you would want to do anything that's not on line with your putt. That's the first thing. So two things. One, don't practice your putting stroke perpendicular to your line. And two, don't pendulum. Don't just swing around. Actually be focused, conscious, make a stroke, create the stroke that you're going to use. So from there, sit, take it back and stroke. And again, and back and stroke, and then simply walk up to the ball and execute the shot. Be amazed how many more putts you'll sink if you use that technique.